Hi everyone, Fanita here. How is everybody? Hope you're all having a great weekend. Okay, so today we're going to be doing Etsy. I Love Etsy List 10, episode 300. No, I'm just kidding. It's episode 14 today. But we will get to 300, hopefully. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is show the items that I have listed. And let's see where they are. And I always write them down because I could never remember these. Okay. What I don't remember is how much I listed them for. Okay, so we have the first one. Oh, it's the bunny. Okay, look at this. Isn't it cute? It's all rhinestones. A cute little is it pink? No, it's a red eye, and it has some red stones over here in front of the whiskers here. This is really cute, and it's gold tone, and because it's very large, it's a large piece. I did go ahead and list this one for 30. And as you guys know, I do start off with a sale, the 20% off sale, so it's going to be a lot less than that. I want to give a few pointers about making videos. Please use white backgrounds. I've tried multiple ones. I've used black. I've used, as you've seen, the floral ones. But I've realized that, the white one is the one that works best if you're doing videos. And then also with pictures, when you're listing for your Etsy or whatever platform you do sell at, also use a white background. Because as you can see, when you put something behind a white background, there's nothing distracting it. There's, nothing in the background, and all they see is your item. So that's what I've realized, that, white background is what works best. And what I also do is I also put the item in my hand and take a picture of it in my hand, just for, a scale of how large the item is and what the size of the item is, so they can get an idea of, what they're looking at. So that's a tip for you guys. And only because I've tried other ways to do it, and I've noticed that it's not working, and it's the color is not coming out right. And also for pictures, try to use natural lighting. I know that's very hard to do, especially with the weather, raining places and sunny some places, so you have to be on the inside. But natural lighting takes the best pictures. Other than that, you're gonna have to, get one of those light boxes, or there are many ways that you can do it. I've seen multiple videos on how people make their own light boxes. I know a lot of people that use those school, I forgot what those are even called. The ones where kids do reports on, those little school boards that they use. And you can just even use a white tablecloth and just cover a back of a chair. There's so many different ways of things that you can use, is what they say here. But make sure that you do use a white background for your photos, or at least have one picture. I would make that my first picture with the white background, because you want people to see what the item is first. Okay, I talked too much today. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, what do we have next? Okay, heart earrings. Heart earrings. Okay, so heart earrings over here. And they do have, when I did clean them, I noticed that the front is kind of like a gold color. So I don't know if that's a gold wash, because it doesn't say anything about markings in the back about it being gold. So these, I listed it for $18. And these are marked in the back 925, and it has some kind of maker's mark, but I can't really make it out. It's faded a little bit. It does look, I think, like an R in the back. So, and they do have the sterling backs to these, and these are $18. Next we have, what are those? ME. It says earrings, but I'm trying to figure out if I have other earrings here. I don't know. Wait a minute, guys. Oh, okay, mesh earrings. Oh my God. Okay, so I have these sterling silver mesh earrings. The video is not doing it justice, and they are in its original package. I don't know what this is. I looked it up, and nothing. It's probably a jewelry store name. I don't know, but the earrings are mesh, very pretty earrings, and they are They are pierced earrings. And this one, I listed it for $15. And they're brand new. They haven't been used or anything. And they are all silver. This little ring here is not gold. It's also silver color, silver tone. Okay. So next it says here cross. Okay, we have a little cute little tiny cross. It has a very light blue color stone in the center and some marcasites on the sides, and it does come with a sterling chain. And this one I listed it for $12. This is very cute. For someone that just wants something simple to wear and something small, this is really nice. And I can bring it closer for you guys to see. But oh, here's another thing you can do. I'm gonna give tips today. You can turn, if you're using a Logitech camera and you have a lot of items on your table that you're gonna show, what you can do is turn the autofocus off and just manually fix it to where you want it. And that way, when when there's a lot of things on the table, it won't do that, where it does kind of like, the vibrating thing. It'll stop doing that. You can also do that with the camera if you have a Logitech camera. What other cameras, I don't know. That's only with the Logitech. Okay, so the next one, oh, this one over here. Okay, this is really cute. It's sterling silver, and the chain is also silver. They have what looks to be cubic zirconias inside their little t-shirts, on their t-shirts. And these are cute little boys. This would be something that would be great to give as a gift to somebody who's going to have twin boys, who has 2 sons, or if you have 2 grandsons for yourself. This is a nice piece. I listed this one for $18. And this is how the back looks. Okay, and what do we have next? Little girl, of course. Okay, and we have a little girl here. This is a cute little girl, also sterling. It has a triangle, cute little purple stone, and a stone where the head is. And the chain I put on it is also sterling. I have another one here. This one that I'm showing you is sterling silver. This one is not. But this one has a cute little blue stone. So I'm going to add this one as a gift with this one, so you can change them and wear one or wear them together if you have twin girls. But this one is not sterling silver. And this one is not in the picture. This one I'm just going to send as a gift. And I listed this for $12. And that's it's going to be less with the sale. So we have here, oh, okay. This one here, okay, it's a mesh bracelet with this beautiful heart. This is a really nice piece, and it's an older piece. You can tell from the clasp here. See? And this one, I listed it for $28. It's very cute. And it does say in the listing how long it is. I don't know right now, but it's in the listing. Okay. So next we have, oh, the doll brooch. Okay. Remember this one? I showed you guys, I think in the last video, the Madame Alexander, a cute little Christmas brooch here, the one that looks like a little doll. I did go ahead and list this one today, and I listed this one for $12. Next, we have the 3, oh, and then this one also, I said I would list, and I did. The holiday trio here. Okay, there's a Christmas tree with a little rhinestone star here. And then this one, it's a wreath that also has rhinestones. And then we have the sleigh also with stones. These 2 over here are gold tone, and this one is silver tone. And these are in really good shape. I don't see any wear on either of them. And I listed all 3 for $12. Okay, this next one here is a Judith Ripka watch. It has a little heart center over here, and it's in really good condition. The band, this is, let me see how we open this right now. I got it closed now. I don't know how to open it. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is how it opens. It needs a new battery. It still has the little sticker in the back over here. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it does have that, you know, that peel thing in the back. And it just needs a new battery. Other than that, it's in pretty good condition. I don't think that doesn't look like it's been used. So this one I listed it for $18. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. I want to thank everybody who's been watching these I Love Etsy list 10 videos. I'm having a lot of fun doing them. I wish I could post the pictures of the items that I have listed, but they're already shipped out. I need to do them more frequently. But I try. It's really hard with the kids and, you know, with the listings. It's really hard to do them frequently. But I will try to do them as you know, as much as I can. And please go ahead and still send me your Etsy shops links so I can post them below. Thank you very much for watching. This is Anita saying goodbye.